Hi everyone, I'm Ameya, and today I'm going to be talking about my team's work on interactive media for understanding ML methods, a case study on graph neural networks. Graph neural networks are a family of neural networks that operate naturally on graphs. Graphs are everywhere: social networks, molecules, and even traffic on the roads. Today, wherever graphs can be found, GNNs can be too. Whether it's physics, knowledge graphs, molecules, and even reinforcement learning. But how do GNNs even work? What does it mean to compute over a graph? At first, it is not clear what exactly GNNs do. Learners are more likely to be familiar with CNNs or convolutional neural networks. GNNs are in fact inspired by CNNs. CNNs are great on many image-related tasks, but images themselves can be thought of as regular grid graphs. Can we generalize convolutions over grids to convolutions over arbitrary graphs? We trace this story of the origin of GNNs, but interactively. Significant effort has gone into visually describing classical graph algorithms such as breadth-first search and network flows. However, GNNs have traditionally been depicted by static images. These images omit critical detail from the computations that GNNs do, making it harder for learners to map GNN concepts to other concepts in machine learning that they may already be familiar with. We will now demo some of the visualizations that we have made. Our first visualization introduces spectral networks. Spectral networks define convolutions over graphs in terms of the spectral or eigenvector basis of the graph Laplacian. To introduce readers to the terminology, as well as understand what transformations between the natural representation of features as well as the spectral representation means, we give the example of a grid graph and allow users to change the spectral representations of features and see how the natural representation of the same features changes on the graph. This visualization also emphasizes the link between spectral decomposition and the Fourier decomposition for images. This visualization deals with ChebNet. ChebNet is a GNN that computes localized convolutions as opposed to the global convolutions that spectral networks employ. On the left, we have a grid graph with binary features, just like a black and white image. Users can change the weights of the convolution and see how the outputs change. Users can also change the features of the input image. This visualization allows users to play around with popular GNN models. Here, we have a graph convolutional network on an input graph of 5 nodes. Each node has a single real-valued feature. Users can update the weights of the GCN model, and the corresponding update equations for the node's features are updated in real time. This visualization also provides insight into a phenomenon known as oversmoothing, wherein the node features tend to converge to similar values after multiple updates. In conclusion, this is our attempt to make GNNs more accessible to learners via interactive and visual descriptions. We open sourced our visualizations as notebooks in order to help authors of similar efforts. And our exhibit is currently under review at ISTL. Thank you. Feel free to reach me for feedback and questions at the email ID provided.